Hey everybody, I had a lot of fun this weekend. I attended the Street Machine Nationals and I tried an autocross down there for the very first time. They have an autocross course down there that's actually set up by the SCCA, and then they officiate it, and it's included with your registration to the show. So I figured, I'll try it out. So you register for a 1-hour session and you kind of get about 3 runs in. So I got 3 runs. First run, I just kind of was learning the track. Second run, I knew the track a little bit better. I thought it was a fast run, but I was sliding the car around a little too much. And on my third run, I made a rookie mistake and I bumped the paddle shifters. I just was running in second gear and I upshifted to fourth and just totally ruined the end of the run, and that would have been a great pass had I not done that. But I still had a lot of fun, and I'm definitely going to try more autocross events in the future. It's a good way to kind of learn the limits of your car and just get to toss it around and slide it around and have a lot of fun and have a little friendly competition too. So I'm going to have both in-car footage on here, and a couple of my friends were there and they caught some footage. And if you are on Instagram at all, if you go to at Diablo Daytona on Instagram, he took a video of my first run. So sit back and enjoy.
6-0.
Let's try again. Say dial, then the phone number, or say call, then the full name and phone type you want to call.
No good. You gotta stop before this line. Oh, okay. When you did it right, you came as fast
I
as you
didn't
could, but
understand
have to
what
stop
you
before this
said.
line. Okay. All right? Okay, thanks. Okay. G-Body Monte Carlo SS out there now.
endless amounts of aftermarket support for these cars. They race them circle track, they drag race them, obviously they autocross them. You can make one of these G-bodies do anything you could imagine. Whoa, lots of oversteer. Oh, it takes up.
Bring you back over there. We don't want you to.
Okay, so just go back.
No, just cut through here.
Cut through here?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna get this Chargers lined up again so we can get his run back. Okay. No, that's okay.